Judge Erwin Tulfo. Senator Judge Rafi Tulfo. You may proceed, sir. You have 2 minutes.
Ma'am, nakapaniud na ka?
Gamay lang, sir.
Gamay lang. Unsa man imong sudan?
Wala ko'y gana mo kaon.
Wala. Okay. Okay. Tanong ko na lang. How would you consider yourself? Smart, average, or stupid?
Nasa average lang po ako
Average.
nga pagkatao, Your Honor.
Correct. Just like millions and millions and millions of Filipinos. Good. Normal. Kasi sa isang normal na tao, kapag siya'y binigyan bilang isang SDO tulad sa inyo ng listahang pangalan ng mga informants na bilat, pagong at pusa, papalag ka. Ano ba to? Kernel. Mukhang hindi ata tama to. Bastusan na to. Di po ba? Para sa normal na tao. Am I right?
Nag-rely po ako sa sinabmit po sa akin ng security officer, Your Honor.
Kaya nga po, bilang isang normal na tao, ulitin ko, pag nakakita kayo ng ganong pangalan, bilat, pagong, pusa, etc. Belat. Okay, belat, same. Magugulat ka, di ba?
Magugulat
Sa
po.
Bisaya, yung pronunciation yan eh. Sa Tagalog, belat, sa Bisaya, bilat yun eh. Kasi yung I nagiging I eh. Bisaya din kasi ako eh.
With the permission of Senator Judge Tulfo, Chair would like to remind the gallery to kindly maintain silence during these proceedings. You may proceed, sir.
Kasi isa pa po, Madam Witness, meron akong kopya dito na kung saan maraming pangalan ng mga informant at iisa lang po ipirma. So if you're a normal or average person, papalag ka na naman. Teka muna, Kernel, bakit ganito? Bastusan na to, lokohan to. Yung iba-ibang mga pangalan pero isa lang po ipirma. Hindi ko nagtaka.
Piniripay ko po yon si Corner La Chica, Your Honor. At ang sagot naman niya sa akin, Ma'am Gina, those are sensitive information, Ma'am Gina. At saka, confidential in nature po yon.
So naniwala kayo sa sinabi niya na confidential nature kahit na isa lang signature sa napakaraming pangalan.
Kasi
So you
siya
took his
po,
word for it.
kasi siya po ang nag-implement sa mga confidential activities, Your Honor, on the grounds. Siya po ang inatasan na mag-implement. Siya ang implementor po, Your Honor.
So for me, in this case, you're stupid in the name of blind loyalty.
Ano po yun?
Naging stupido kayo sa ngalan ng isang tinatawag na blind loyalty. Nakapikit kung ano yung sinasabi sa iyo ng nakakataas, sinusunod mo na lang. Stupido ka pa rin, pero in the name of blind loyalty. Would you agree?
Dili ko maintindihan, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Okay, nung kayo po ay SDO sa Davao, nung mayor si BP Sara noon, hindi kayo nagkaroon ng disallowance, right? Never?
Wala po, Your
So ano
Honor.
pinagkaiba na sa Davao at ngayon sa OVP? Bakit nagkaroon kayo ng disallowance ngayon dito sa OVP and DepEd versus nung nasa Davao kayo, wala kayong disallowance? Anong pinagkaiba?
Ang maalala ko lang, Your Honor, sa Davao po, doon po mag-submit po kami ng accomplishment report doon po sa DILG, hindi po sa Office of the Vice President, hindi po sa Office of the President, sa Senate at saka sa HOR, Your Honor.
So nung panahon po sa Davao, meron ba mga pangalan Piatos? Meron ba mga pangalan mga Belat? Pagong, Pusa, etc.?
Hindi ko ma-remember, Your Honor. Hindi
All
ko
of a sudden,
maalala.
hindi mo na maalaala. And
Hindi ko
how long?
maalala, Your
Hindi mo na
Honor.
maalaala. And yet 6 years ka naging SDO doon.
Hindi ko maalala, Your Honor. Matagal na po yun, Your Honor. At saka, may edad na rin po ako, Your Honor.
Ayaw lagi pag tinunto, ma'am. Pati kami ba na tinunto mo dire.
Mo
Maraming
yun na ako tinuod, Your Honor.
Okay. Salamat po, Mr. Presiding Officer.
At the time po, sir, when I consulted with the security officer, sir, I was not able to ask anymore on
Why
the
not?
details, sir.
It's part of your job. In fact, pumirma ka eh. Doon sa pag-reply mo sa IOM.
I asked, sir,
So
kung ano
pumirma
yung
ka
process.
nakapikit. Yes, sir.
No, sir, hindi naman po na nakapikit, sir, because nagtanong naman po ako sa security officer namin, sir, on how it was released or implemented on the ground. So, kung ano po yung nabigay na information, sir, yun po yung nailagay ko sa pag-draft po ng reply to the AOM.
Kayo po ay nag-reply sa AOM from COA for the check number 244027 dated 20 December 2022. Ano po yung proseso na ginagawa nyo once kayo po ay nakatanggap ng AOM or disallowance?
Good morning, Your Honor. When we receive AOMs within the office, once we receive it, we inform of course, the Chief of Staff and of course also the head of agency of the AOM. We send them a copy for their information.
Do you investigate?
Once meron na pong instruction to kung sino po yung magko-conduct ng review, then that's the time po that we conduct a necessary review for
Do you ask
the reply.
questions?
Yes, sir, to the concerned na mga
To the concerned.
concerned na mga divisions.
What questions do you ask, for example?
Usually, sir, we ask point per point on what is
Point per point, okay.
point per point what is indicated in the AOM, so
Yes.
that we can also address the concerns point by point.
Very good. Now, isa sa mga AOM ay observation ng COA, kulang sa mga dokumento. Halimbawa, itong sinabi rito, 170,000 at marami to by the millions. 170,000 for the payment of reward, open and closed medicines. Did you not ask, ano ba talaga to? Anong klaseng medicine ang binili? Kasi ang pagkakalam ko, meron kayong pera from confidential funds, binigay nyo doon sa informant para siya nang bumili ng medisina.
Yes, sir. Yun
Did
po
you
yung-
ask kung anong medisina ang binili para sa medisina bibili nung informant, yung pera?
When the time na nag-consult po ako with the security officer, sir, I did not ask anymore on the specifics, but I asked on paano po yung naging process nila in terms of noong pag-release ng funds for the informants or for the agents.
Sir, you are a very highly educated person from prestigious schools. Come on, it doesn't make sense. It defies logic. Tatanungin mo dapat to protect Sarah kasi very close ka kay Sarah. Teka muna, anong klaseng mga medisina ang binili? Nasaan yung reseta? Kasi mali mo, baka namin hindi binili ng medisina, baka binili ng drugs, whatever, baka may nagbulsa ng pera. Dapat, yun kasi yung kailangan ng, COA, di ba? Resibo.
At the time po, sir, when I consulted with the security officer, sir, I was not able to ask anymore on
Why
the
not?
details, sir.
It's part of your job. In fact, pumirma ka doon sa pag-reply mo sa AOM.
I asked, sir,
So
kung ano
pumirma
yung
ka
process.
nakapikit. Yes, sir.
No, sir, hindi naman po na nakapikit, sir, because nagtanong naman po ako sa security officer namin, sir, on how it was released or implemented on the ground. So, kung ano po yung nabigay na information, sir, yun po yung nailagay ko sa pag-draft po ng reply to the AOM.
Hindi mo rin tinanong bakit pare-pareho yung signature sa different names ayon sa NBI, forensic. Tapos pare-pareho yung handwriting sa different names. Parang isang tao lang nag-fill up. Meron pa nga walang signature at nag-receive ng by the hundreds of thousands each.
Sir,
You didn't ask? Bakit mo tinanong? Hindi mo tinanong bakit pusa? Bakit ito si Pagong? Pinagtatawanan tayo ng tao, etc. Why? Did you not ask?
Sir, at the time, sir, hindi ko po nakita yung mga acknowledgement receipts, sir. I was only made aware of the acknowledgement receipt, sir, when it was already shown during the HOR na mga hearings, sir.
Hindi kasi pag nagtanong ng attachment, then di ba sabi mo you ask questions point by point, you investigate, then kinuha mo sana yung mga dokumento and then pinakita sa iyo and then nagtanong ka point by point like you said. And then you're a very educated person, you should have asked a lot of questions to satisfy dun sa request ng COA.
Sir, I
Kasi
did not-
tulad yan, Posa, Pagong. Imposible hindi mo nakita yan. Tapos pare-pare yung pirma sa isang ah, same handwritings para sa napakaraming pangalan at saka iisang pirma sa napakaraming pangalan according to the NBA forensic. You didn't ask?
Sir, at the time po, sir, I did not see the acknowledgement receipts.
Come
po,
on, sir. Like I said, napakatalino mong tao sa credentials mo. Dating professor, Ateneo, UP, di ba? And then, now, parang, sorry sir, parang nagmaang-maangang ka. Again, is it blind loyalty? Thank you po.
So the problem nga with coming up with words, especially, and this for both sides and even for the senator judges, when we use certain words that can be sa Tagalog bansag, binansagan mo na na scam o scammer, binansagan mo na nagnakaw, etc. So personally, I don't mind if you use words that is already in your pleadings or in your articles of impeachment. But of course, it still should come from the witness unless you can frame it in a way that it's not only the dignity of the court. I'm just saying, let's all be aware that when we say it, even if we say withdrawn or even, both sides, kahit sabihin mong withdrawn na to, kahit sabihin mong nice try, etc. We know that that's for the cameras, not just for the court. I just like to take note that so the presiding officer made a ruling. We all know the intention and the duties of the prosecution. We admire your passion in trying to prove your allegations, but we're also all aware that the medium is the message. So during the time of radio and even TV, you make that statement and then it is stricken off the record, it's forgotten. There's no, if I can use the word, mind conditioning. And in fact, when I first became a senator in 2007, talagang hahanapin mo talaga yung records. That's why even here, kapag ka may disagreements and medyo nadala ng emotion, pinapa-strike off the record. At pagka sa labas ng Senate nangyari, naghahamunan ng, you say that here, para magsagutan tayo. So the problem nga with coming up with words especially, and this for both sides and even for the senator judges, when we use certain words that can be sa Tagalog bansag, binansagan mo na na scam o scammer, binansagan mo na nagnakaw, etc. So personally, I don't mind if you use words that is already in your pleadings or in your articles of impeachment. But of course, it still should come from the witness unless you can frame it in a way that it's not only the dignity of the court. I'm just saying, let's all be aware that when we say it, even if we say withdrawn or even, both sides, kahit sabihin mong withdrawn na to, kahit sabihin mong nice try, etc. We know that that's for the cameras, not just for the court. Diba? Kasi kaming 24, whether we watch it here, we watch it in our cell phone, we watch it inside, kami magde-decide. But we all know we're also trying to convince you, not we. The prosecution and defense is trying to convince the public that either the Vice President or her office or whoever is guilty or innocent. So, yun lang, let's be circumspect without pointing fingers to anyone, both sides. Dahil nga, kapag may certain word na may not only negative but may emotional attachment, magba-viral na yan. And it will really affect the integrity not only of the court but of the decision sa huli. Diba? So, I just like to agree with you and emphasize na, you know, in the future, if you say that nagkamali, let's not kid each other. No? Kahit kaming mga senator judges, nagkakamali din kami. Lalo pag nag-i-interview na or nagkaharap na yung vloggers or yung traditional media. But once masabi mo, it takes a life of its own. Diba? Those words. So we have to really be more circumspect in choosing our words.